Well, hello there. I am back to talk travel capsule wardrobe, and this time I'm reviewing my original capsule wardrobe that I put together about 3 or 4 weeks ago. I was accompanying a friend to Tampa to help her after she had surgery, and here we are at the airport ready to go. And I'm wearing my dark denim jacket from Gap. It has two very large interior pockets, as well as my square neck t-shirt and my black Calvin Klein trouser style pants that are cut in a very trim fashion. And this is my first day outfit. It's a J. Jill t-shirt dress with 3/4 sleeves. And I was able to add my tortoiseshell accessories, which you'll see momentarily. And I wore my black lace cardigan with this as well, because we were going to be indoors and doctor's appointments, and it was actually quite cold. And Jamie even wore this black lace cardigan that you'll see momentarily, because she was also so cold in our room and did not think about taking a cardigan or a jacket with her. So this was light enough that it was still airy, but at the same time it provided a layer when we were indoors. So it was really comfortable, and you'll see in a little while that I also wore this as a robe with my nightgown. So that's always super helpful, and I didn't have to bring an additional piece of clothing with me. So this is surgery day, and I'm wearing my black tank dress and the sleeveless hooded vest, and it's more of an athletic material, and it was very nice to have because it rained in the afternoon. And then I switched up and put the denim jacket on as well, just to show you what that would look like. And it's nice to have things that have pockets. Unfortunately, the kimono, this is that reversible Chico's kimono, it did not have pockets, but it's still wonderful to wear because it changes up your outfit just a little bit. And here is that cardigan with the black tank dress. I also threw a scarf around my waist for a little bit of fun, and then here is that little jacket, bolero jacket, that I showed you how I tie that with a scarf. And it's so nice to have someone to play photographer while I was traveling, instead of me trying to take pictures of myself. So there you go. And this is showing you how I wore the black lace cardigan as a robe. So this is white t-shirt just with my cropped dark denim pants. And then I showed you where I added a little pop of color by adding some colorful jewelry. That's some turquoise with the kimono. And then the denim jacket also looks great with it as well. And this was a kind of hotel property outfit that I wore, especially doing laundry and kind of going up and down the stairs, getting some towels and whatnot that we needed in the room. So it was nice to have the pockets. And now I'm trying this with the shorts as well, and changing up the shoes to my tennis shoes, and again with the reversible kimono, and you can see both directions there. And it was so comfortable and nice to just be able to have these layering pieces to be able to kind of regulate being hot and cold. And here's another trick. I took one of the scarves and I wrapped it around my textured headband. And it was a really nice little addition to my outfit one of those days. So I felt like I had something special. And I'm wearing my black pants, white tank top, and the kimono in this picture. And that's the reverse side with the same outfit. And the denim jacket. Now, of course, you can add jewelry to that. I could add a scarf, but it's really kind of quick and dirty, easy outfit, and I'm comfortable. Again, so nice to have extra pockets. Now, this is my Chico's travel scarf that I always travel with, and I made it into that little bolero jacket and also changed my hairstyle. And you'll see here in a moment that I've also worn this as a vest. So this was really fun. When I was around the hotel property that day, I just wanted to change, and I really liked being able to wear this as a vest. And this is black and white striped with a floral print on the front of this tank top. Again, just hotel property, running around, doing some laundry. And the denim jacket with this as well. and that black cardigan. I think this was one of my favorite outfits. I really liked that colorful tank top with the black lace cardigan. And here is the black shorts with the square-necked t-shirt, also with my denim jacket. And you can see how just adding a topper or a layering piece just kind of really makes the outfit look a little bit different. And also being able to change up the shoes. That was kind of a nice addition as well. And just kind of a different look and a different feel for the outfit. And it looks great with the kimono as well. And on both sides of the kimono was really fun and changing up my hairstyle a little bit. I also really liked that with the scarf around my neck and also kind of as an infinity scarf. And I didn't feel too hot or too cold, so it was nice to have all of these pieces with me. And this is our last day. We went shopping a little bit, so I'm wearing the tank dress again and my denim jacket because it was so cold in the mall. So this was the original capsule wardrobe, and this was what I changed it to take on my trip. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to like and subscribe because it continues to help my channel grow. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.